Understanding credit card interest. Purchases paid by credit card are not subjected to interest if you pay in full before due date. This is the ideal situation in which all your credit card bills are paid before the date due. You will not be charged interest if you do this. Interest is charged on a daily basis for the outstanding amount. Any interest not settled by the next payment date due will also attract interest in the next statement. Take note that this is on a daily basis and not monthly basis. Interest will also be charged on any new purchases until full settlement is reached. So if you were to charge any new purchases, the amount will also be charged interest on a daily basis. How credit card interest rolls. Let's assume that you have a credit card bill of $5,000 that you owe to Bank X. And also let's assume that the credit card interest is 24% per annum. Scenario 1. What happens if you decide not to pay the bank anything? If you do this, it will take only about 3 years for your credit card bill to double. This is at 24% per annum, so the rule of 72 is used to calculate this approximate number of years it takes for your bill to double. 72 divided by 24 is about 3. Scenario 2. What if you decide to only pay the minimum amount of 5% to the bank each month? In this case, this is what is going to happen. On month 1, we have a debt of $5,000 and you pay back 5%, which is $250. Out of this $250, approximately $100 will go towards payment of interest. And about $150 will go to reduce the balance. So your outstanding balance gets reduced only gradually. It gets reduced in a gradual manner. And month 2 is shown as such. You're still paying interest of $88 and so on and so forth. So it will actually take 82 months for the credit card bill of $5,000 to be cleared if you only pay the minimum sum each month. 82 months, and for this 82 months you'll be paying a total amount of $2,976.93 on interest. So the total repayment will be this amount, whereas the initial amount owed was only $5,000. So as you can see from this table, it is much better to clear the debt as soon as possible to avoid paying hefty interest charges. If you pay only the minimum sum, 3% of the amount owed, or $50, whichever is higher, to the bank every month, then this is what will happen. If you owe the bank $3,000, you will end up paying $1,623 to the bank. If you owed $5,000, you'll be paying even more, $2,977. If you owe the bank $10,000, you'll be paying $6,290. Take note that the longer you take to finish off paying your credit cards, the more interest you will have to pay. And the greater amount you owe the bank, the more interest you will also have to pay.